What's happening, folks? Welcome back to another video. This car behind me is my next victim. It's a Subaru WRX STI. So what's it in for? It's in for two backbox deletes. It's got twin exhausts, one either side. Customer wants backbox deletes and they want 3.5-inch slash cut tips. I have done one of these before. I think I've done one of these before. I hadn't posted it on YouTube because it was before the YouTube days, but I have done one of these before. I think they sound pretty nice, but I'm going to bring you guys along the journey of this one and we're going to find out. Let's get these back boxes off and see what it sounds like. Here's what it sounds like stock. So it already sounds pretty nice in my opinion. So drop a like, drop a comment below when we've finished. Is it better or is it worse? Let's do it. Let's have a look then, see what we've got. I don't think these boxes are standard, you know. I mean, I'm not sure, I may be wrong. I don't think them back boxes are standard. And I also don't think we'll be clamping to original flanges, do you? I think that they might just have more rust on than Titanic, and when we try and undo them, the whole lot's going to fall to pieces. Yeah, definitely. So we'll probably be clamping to this Y piping on this section here, rather than reusing original flanges. Yeah, I don't think they're standard, but the rest of it looks standard to me. Yeah, all this looks standard. I mean, again, actually, no, there used to be a cat here, I think. I mean, again, I may be wrong, I'm no Subaru expert, but I believe there used to be a cat in this section here, so I think it's also had a secondary decat and probably aftermarket boxes. That's the way it looks. Original cat's still in place. Yeah, I think so. I don't know, you Subaru experts, jump in comments, let me know, am I right? Is that a secondary decat pipe and are those back boxes stock? Because I'm not sure. Anyway, let's get on with the job we're doing. We're going to be doing two back box deletes. So we're going to cut these pipes here and we're going to clamp to them. Fortunately, that will make this non-reversible, but I'm sure the customer will agree when he looks back at this video. They ain't reusable. They're just going to fall to pieces the second we try and undo them. Let's get going. There we go. Impreza STI, backbox deletes, complete. Who's excited to hear it? Well, you better watch the end then, because we're not only going to hear it, we're going to take it out on road, we're going to go for a spinning car, and we're going to see what it sounds like on road as well. We're going to see what it drones like, see what it sounds like on under load, on boost, cruising, give you a review of what it's actually like to live with backbox deletes on your STI. So stay tuned. So, it's had a quick warm up. It's pretty rowdy. I'm expecting this to be quite loud when I get some revs. Let's see, shall we? It's pretty rowdy. Let's take it for a spin, see what it's like on road, but just revving it, that's pretty rowdy. Right, let's go and see what it's about then, shall we? Got just enough time to get that intake done. Right, what window's down?
Way better than any Golf or RS for anything, in my opinion. That sounds lethal.
It does sound quite poppy.
It feels fast now.
Usually are fast Subarus. I do like them. I do like Subarus.
Not slow that. Oh.
Like a Subaru. It's loud though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Like it's just
obnoxious.
Yeah, it is. It's obnoxiously loud. Like it's there all the time. It's clean in here though, isn't it? Looks after it.
Yeah.
It's nice and clean.
It's nice.
I do like these. I like these saloon ones. Like proper, it's there, it's all time, so I'm expecting this to be quite drony, I'll be honest. I reckon when we cock this in top gear, I reckon it'll be quite drony.
It's good out some drone.
Yeah.
I'd live with it by any though.
Get a quick bridge test with window down. Nice little bang. Modes, aren't they? Look, sport, sharp, diff, auto, everything. I think it's just all in auto. I'm not messing about with none of that. It's in sport, I think. I'd like this exhaust sound for about an hour, and then I'd be like, yep.
I'd want it on a valve, I think.
Can't get used to clutch. Everyone's in way. Of course they're all in way. Always in the way. It's fast, isn't it?
It is fast, isn't
it? Look, it is fast. I'm not even getting it full beans at that either, because I'm always right wary with Subarus, killing bottom ends, but it actually ribs this. Got to be mapped that. That's not standard, surely not. Exhaust. Exhaust is nice, but it's just a bit too much. Exhaust is just a little bit too much.
Granddad's broke down. Granddad's broke down.
So don't mind if you are thinking of doing this. If this is your daily car and you've got to commute 60 miles a day down motorway, I wouldn't, because it will get on your nerves very quickly. If it's just your weekend toy and you're going to blast down back roads in it, yeah, it sounds great. Personally, I think this setup would sound better with 2 small boxes. That's just my own opinion. It's quite loud, it's quite rowdy. Sounds good on boost, but it sounds good on boost and it sounds good revving it. That's about the only time it sounds good. Other than that, it's just constant. It's just there all the time. Drive me up wall, that would. But it's not my car. Every one of you are different. Some people like it like this. This guy might be over the moon and he might love it. We'll get another rip back up bypass, see what it sounds like. But I'm impressed with car. It's car's fast, to be fair. I would not even really go in for it at all, just giving it a little tickle, and it goes well. So if it would have been nice to get a customer to be driving.
Yeah.
Get full beans, see what it's really made on. Yeah, I'm impressed. It absolutely rips. It absolutely rips, this car, doesn't it? If you were to give it full beans, it'd go this. It'd properly go. I'm not going to. That's going to be the end of this video for us, guys. I really hope you've enjoyed watching it. It's only short and sweet, but if you want to know what an STI sounds like with a back box delete, there you go. Now you know. Like, follow, subscribe, whatever. Comment. See you in the next video. Peace.
You're pulling on my walls down. I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping close.